So the second in the series of training videos I'm putting together. In the first one we turned on the desk and got our scene loaded for Sunday. So now I'm going to go on and look at navigating around, finding the channels and adjusting the gain. So since I've got the scene up, the next thing I need to do is look at the channel processing. So do that, I press the processing button here, bottom left of the screen, and then choose the channel that I want to look at. So I'm going to look at keys. I've got the keyboard player up there ready, so I select that, and that brings me up with the channel summary. So the summary then is showing me top to bottom the preamp section, high pass filter, gate, EQ and compression. So that shows me that for the one I've got, which is highlighted in green, and the other channels nearby, so a total of 8. Now I want to be able to hear them, so the next thing I'm going to do now is unmute that channel so I can hear my keyboard player. And then to look in the preamp section, I'm going to tap on that, which is the top bit there. So tap on that there. So that shows me the details of that channel now, so I can see what it's connected to. I can see the gain. The meter shows me the levels that are coming through, and I've got access to the 48 volt phantom power. So if I want to adjust the gain, I can do that here with the rotary that says preamp at the top left of the screen. I can adjust that and get that to the level that I want. It's obviously playing very quiet at the moment. If I wanted to change the phantom power, if I need to turn that on because I've got DI box, then I can tap and hold that button, that would turn it on and off. If I want to look at a different channel, then I can do that. Just go back to the faders and I press the select button on the channel that I'm interested in. So in this case I might go to guitar. There's nobody on the guitar at the moment. I can go back to keyboards. If I want to go back to the summary to see that, I just tap on this area on the left, back on the section I tapped on in the first place, and that'll take me back to the summary, and I can now see that in the summary and see all the others as well. Okay, so that's the basic navigating around. We'll look at EQ and the other things in a later session.